Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about how to paint a loose watercolor landscape. If you want to know how to draw, be sure to watch all the way to the end. I'm actually going to start using a masking tape to create a horizon line. Creating the landscape with a flat brush and using some colors of yellow, orange, blue, green, lemon yellow and sap green. The painting is divided into two parts, the sky and the water. So I am taking clean water and spreading all the way to the sky in the beginning. This is wet and wet technique I am using. Now to start the coloring, using the shades of yellow and blue with random strokes, we will create the sky. And in the horizon line, I am using a little darker yellow shades. Do not bother to color and make the painting more fun. If you like the video, please hit the like button, and for more videos, please subscribe my channel. Layer by layer, I am increasing the intensity of the color and applying a little shade of green to create foliage in the distance. Then with a clean brush, I can smooth the hard edges. Now I am removing the masking tape so that we can get a sharp horizon line. Again I am applying water to wet the paper. This part is water. Here sky is reflected in the area, so the color will be opposite of the sky. Same process I am applying in the water area. Till now, if you think this video is helpful for you, you can comment in the description box. Also, you can hit the like button. For more videos of my watercolor tutorial, you can subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the notification. Also, you can click on the I button to check my other videos. Enjoyed it, and thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, goodbye and happy painting.